All right, so let's look at ML 109. We're going to do the same kind of poisoning attack using SecML, Open Python source library for evaluation of machine learning algorithms. This will be more important in the next project, where we actually use a more intelligent form of poisoning. But anyway, this one here will be poisoning a somewhat different data set. We're going to use one of these classification tasks where you need the dots. So here, data set is going to be red and blue dots. It's going to be red and blue dots, and we want to separate them. And so we create a model and train it. And this is a multi-class classifier. Well, it's just a classifier. There you are. All right, so that should be the data, and there it is. Now we make a classifier. And it's going to be 94% correct, and so it is. All right, now we're going to visualize the results. And there it is. So you've got blues here, reds there, and you can see the border. And there's some little defect with my plotting, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. It looks pretty good. It found a nice border. So now we're going to change a label. We're going to take the first element and make a poison version where it changes the color of the first label, of the first dot. So here, okay, so here's the original and here's the poisoned. And what happened is one of these red dots has now turned blue. So you would think that would have some effect. Here's the performance. No effect. 94% still. So we'll try manipulating more. We're going to do the first 40 dots and change all the red dots to blue. So you see a lot of the red dots have changed to blue. This may finally be enough to confuse the model.
I'm sorry, which lab is this you're working on now?
This is ML 109. And now, of course, the accuracy has fallen from 94 to 74%. That's going to confuse the model pretty well now. And so that just shows you more, and then you can try a couple of variations like poisoning a different number of dots or reversing the colors of the first 40 dots instead of just changing only the red dots and so on, or poisoning only the dots that are way over on the side here. So just the ones over here, change them from red to blue and so on. You can see what these have, and you get a clue how these simple poisoning attacks work. And so give that stuff a shot. I'm going to stop this recording.